Hello guys, and welcome back for another Pokemon Sword and Shield booster pack opening. Today we have Zamazenta on the left and Snorlax on the right. So let's get started. Look at that. Very nice. Got a little sneak peek there. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. All right, get started. Nice little dark. Got Thwackey. Sorry, didn't realize that wasn't centered. Thwackey. Palpad, Citrus Berry, Mintino, always an adorable one, Sobble, Blipbug, Baltoy, Wooloo, adorable. Oh. Alright, Reverse Sobble, Reverse Hollow. Ooh, and nice little Thievul. Very nice. Not bad for the first one. I got the second pack. Let's check it out. Same cover. There we go. That was easier. 2, 3, 4. All right. Did I just mix in? I mixed in the code. Oh, all right. I guess we'll find it. A little water energy. Hop. Pokegear. 3.0. Sudowoodo. And I love the sketch designs. And Sudowoodo as well. Yamper. Clobbopus. Focus. There we go. Clobbopus. Cottony. Choodle. Rhyhorn. Reverse Whimsicott, Reverse Hollow Whimsicott, and Durant. It's not bad. And there's that code. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.